My name is Ron Stahl. By trade, I'm a watchmaker. I've been in the watch industry for the last 42 years of my life. I've been fortunate to be able to assemble a very experienced staff. 300 years of experience combined.
My name is Emily Stahl, and I head the eBay Authentication program here at Stahl & Company. When eBay approached us with this task of authenticating the timepieces that come across the platform, we were really excited about it. Here at Stahl & Company, we really value and look at every single timepiece like it's our own. The authentication process takes place as soon as the watch is dock received. It also gets LPN, or a barcode label, so that we can track this throughout the facility. The watchmaker then inspects every component of the timepiece. After that entire inspection of the watch, the timepiece is then handed to the authenticator. The watch is also sent with an NFC card, which has the reference number and the serial number of the particular watch which was being sold in the listing. Once the item is authenticated, the watch gets sent to packing and shipping. One thing that I've seen, which is really great for the program, is that we're not only protecting the buyers, but we're protecting the sellers. And that's the great thing about eBay. It's for everyone. It's for watch novice who want to buy their first watch because they're interested in owning a Rolex.
To be a good authenticator, the exposure to the quantity of the timepieces that we've handled over the years, of course, made us qualified to do the authentication procedure. It's extremely important to us and to eBay with the quality of the fakes that are being produced today to keep them off the marketplace. We need to make sure that you spent your money wisely and that you weren't mistakenly taken advantage of. Integrity plays a huge role throughout the entire authenticity program for price points at all categories.
My name is Jamie.
Robbie.
Ray. Michael. I have 30 years.
7 years. 15 years.
29 years.
I have 19 years
Of watch experience, and I authenticate watches for eBay.